Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and I'll show you how to change screenshot format on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll down to the advanced features, and then just click here to the screenshots and screen recorder, and just by tap here on the screenshot format you can change the format of your screenshot from the JPG to the PNG, and again to the JPG from the PNG. So that's it, that's how to change screenshot format on our Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.